current landscape of the insurance marketplace is definitely changing. The market is getting harder as a result of a lot of the natural disasters that we've seen since 2017 to 2019, not including Dorian, which is going on currently. The carriers that were writing a lot of business have chosen to limit the amount of business that they're writing, which causes the other insurance companies to raise their prices. As insurance companies develop claims, they find ways to add exclusions onto their insurance policies to limit their exposure. By understanding the insurance policies, I know how to remove these exclusions and help my client from have the coverage they actually need. One of the big exclusions that I find are things like construction exclusions or contractual liability exclusions. So very often it's important that you scrutinize, because not all insurance policies are the same, and every insurance company writes their own policy form. Well, especially here in New York, real estate owners are feeling tremendous pain from labor laws and other limitations on their policies that relate to who they're bringing into their building. So insurance companies have seen a tremendous amount of claims from contractors and other vendors that are coming into buildings to do work. They're finding ways to limit their exposure, and they're adding on policy limitations that relate to the contractor and the contractor's coverage and the subcontractor's coverage. And if those policies are not all in order, the owner could potentially be exposed to loss. New York real estate is a different animal than anywhere in the rest of the country, most importantly because of the New York labor law that we have here in New York, which puts strict liability on the owner of the building in the event that a contractor gets hurt on his property. So what does this mean? It means that the contractor's employee is going to collect workers' compensation under the contractor's employee, but the building owner is still liable for damages, for bodily injury damages to the individual. So as a result, real estate owners are now being brought in on claims that they never expected to be brought in on because of limitations on contractors' insurance policies.